am Shwani. I worked as an internet LexClick company. In today's video, I will discuss a very common but important topic, that is Audi Ultram Partum. Audi Ultram Partum means listen to the other side or let the other side be heard as well. It is a principle which tells that no person should be judged without a fair hearing, in which each party is given the opportunity to respond to the evidence against them, considered to the principles of fundamental justice or equal justice or natural justice. Basically, it has two elements, that is notice and hearing. Steps of Audi Ultram Partum. First one is right to notice. The right of notice means the right of being known. Notice must contain time, places, and date of hearing, jurisdiction, etc. Basically means an order passed without giving notices against the principle of natural justice and which is void ab initio, and it is the right of the person to know the reason, and he should know the facts without knowing because without knowing the facts nobody can defend himself. So in this case, Punjab National Bank versus All India Bank Employee Federalist, the penalty was imposed on the charges which were not mentioned in the notice. That is, the court said that notice was not proper, and therefore the imposition of penalty was invalid. So this was about right to notice. So the second one is hearing. This hearing can be oral or personal hearing, but many courts, they do not accept the process of oral hearing because it does not constitute any evidence to it. So there is a case, Harbans Lal versus Commissioner. In this reasonable opportunity of hearing honi chahiye. It is also well known as fair hearing, and it is very important rule of Audi Ultram Partum. And the next one is evidence. No evidence should be taken at the back of the party. Evidence should be presented before the court in the presence of both the parties of a judicial or quasi-judicial authority. Must have to act on the evidence. And the next one is legal representation. As we have also learned in Article 22, Subclause 2, if we are any accused of something, that we can present ourselves in the court of law through a legal representatives of our own choice, and we can present ourselves to the court of law. And if somebody is below a poverty line and he cannot afford that, then it is the statutory duty to provide them with a proper legal representative that is free of cost. So guys, this was all about Audi Ultram Partum. That's all. Thank you.